kit, you should have 2 pieces of clear glass, 2 pre-cut beach hut shapes, some copper leaf in paper, some copper wire, some silver sparkles, some white crushed glass in 2 different sizes, some blue crushed glass in various colours, and a little pot of glue, and a couple of cocktail sticks. So first of all, you're going to create your base, your background. And the way that I tend to do that is by using copper leaf. When it fires, it goes like a turquoise bubbly blue. So it does involve you trying to kind of visualize how it's going to look. I'm going to place it on this first layer to try to create a look of like the sky or like a cloudy summer's day or something like that. So it's really flighty, it's really fine, and it does stick to your fingers quite a lot, but I do find it easier to tear than to cut it with scissors. And you kind of place it down really lightly to start with, because what we probably need to think about really is kind of gluing things down as soon as you're happy with where things are, so that they can survive posting them back again. With the copper leaf, you really don't need much glue because it's pretty static and it does stick anyway. And being really as creative as you like with it, imagining that it's going to go blue. You can use your whole piece or you can just use a little bit if you like, but it will just create like a really interesting background. But with your copper leaf, it can only be on this first layer because eventually we're going to be sandwiching it, and it only really behaves itself and fires the kind of blue colour that you want when it's between 2 sheets of glass. So that's all I'm going to do for now, but you might want to cover your whole background with copper leaf. At this stage, you can add a little bit more detail if you like by applying some extra bits of crushed glass. The glass will stay this colour when it's fired, but what we're looking to do is create a background that we're going to sandwich together and then melt it together, so to fuse it in the kiln. So imagining that this layer is going to go on top, you want it to be able to kind of sit quite neatly, and you can see that that piece of glass there is sticking up a bit too much, so I might take that out for now and maybe put some slightly thinner pieces there, and just creating a little bit of texture in the sky, so that's sticking up as well. So imagining it all kind of melting together, and then again I'll just get you to kind of start gluing the things that you're going to be applying so that they don't get thrown around in the post.